If you are wanting to place money towards your NuWay-K&H account, you can do so in our customer portal or mobile app by adding Funds to Prepay. Open your NuWay-K&H mobile app and click on the Balances tile. Then at the top of the screen, you will need to click the button Add Funds to Prepay. If you have multiple accounts, you will need to select the account you want to add the funds to. Then enter in the amount and the prepay type. Choose the prepay type that best fits your intended booking or the department you would like to add the funds to, then click Next. Now you will see a screen with your prepay summary and payment options. You will have two payment methods, credit card and ACH transfer. If you choose credit card, that will incur a fee of around 3% of your total. If you choose ACH, it can take up to 1 full day to verify your account. For more information on connecting your bank account, check out the tutorial titled Connecting Your Bank Account in the Customer Portal. After choosing your payment method, you should add any additional comments regarding your prepay and what it is for. Then you will need to authorize the payment. When you authorize the payment, this will send a 4-digit code to your cell phone. Enter in the code before clicking Pay. If you have any questions about adding funds to prepay or connecting your bank account, please reach out to our e-business support specialist, Bryce Bonine.